This story is about China domestic car sales that fell again in June. So that means fewer people inside China are buying new cars right now. But here's the twist though. Chinese car exports are rising fast. So even though the home market is weaker, Chinese automakers are sending more vehicles overseas. That includes markets like Europe, Southeast Asia, Latin America, and other regions. Why does this matter? Because Chinese brands cannot grow fast enough at home. They still push harder outside China. That means more pressure on Toyota, Ford, GM, Volkswagen, Hyundai, Kia, Nissan, and other global brands. My take is this is not just a China problem. This is a world car market problem. Chinese automakers are slowing down. They are looking for new customers everywhere else. If they keep offering good technology at lower prices, traditional automakers will have to respond. Either prices come down, features improve, or some brands lose market shares. It's as simple as that. The car industry is changing faster than many brands expected. Kia shows us that recalls still matter, even on popular family SUVs. German brands show us that old reputation is not enough anymore. China shows us that even when the home market slows down, exports can become a weapon. The US government shows us that vehicles data is now part of national security. Nissan shows us that brand image matters. And Chery shows us that Chinese automakers are building global power. Ferrari shows us that luxury brands cannot forget emotion. And Volkswagen shows us that even giant automakers can be forced to change as needed. My honest advice is, do not buy the hype. The brand name sounds strong. A real question is it safe? Is it reliable? Can I afford it? Can I repair it? Is the technology useful? And does the vehicle make sense for my real life use? Because the best car is not always the newest car. The best car is the car that can serve you without becoming a headache. And this is it, folks, for this week's Berdy Automotive's update. Don't just watch the news. Don't just follow the news. Understand it. That's how you stay ahead. I'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, and share it to someone you know that want to stay informed. My name is Berdy, folks. Until next time. Bye-bye.